How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in case you're new to the channel, because so far this month we have 7,000 new subscribers, so welcome you guys to the family. And if you guys don't know, this is Throwback Thursday, and what we do on Throwback Thursday is we live and enjoy the previous videos and our adventures. So here goes another one, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
I had to put on a jacket. I guess the afternoon turned out to be a little chilly and a little windy too. You notice the trees swaying, but don't matter. We're still going. We're still going. I mean, for me, I just like the boat ride. The kids like the fishing, but you never know. You might get lucky. Usually do. So here we go with the show. So there you go. You guys saw it come off the trailer. It wasn't that bad. It's not that bad at all. It seems scary because the boat's so big, but it's not that bad. Right? You ready? We need, what kind of bait we need? No, it's in the bucket. Hey, just put it on the floor. I'll put it in the cabin. Don't worry about it. Here. Yeah, it's heavy. You hear that? It's not quite there. Fishing and taking advantage of the icing glass. I closed it off because it's kind of chilly. It actually, all of a sudden it turned really cold, but there's no stopping the fishing. There's no stopping the fishing. Hopefully it's a lucky.
This is the driver's seat on the sunlight. Hey!
Dale, why don't you guys put on the charm? Let's go. What are you guys waiting for, Mark?
Hold on.
Come on now. You guys are like rookies now. Yeah, be careful. Treat it like it's gentle. Treat it gentle, please. Okay. So we're here back in a lucky spot. Hopefully we catch something. Wow. The wind is actually traveling west. That's why we're facing land. Normally the butt faces land, but since there's so much wind, yeah, that's a nice shot. Let me see. Whoa, nice shot.
Oh yeah.
All right, here we go with the show. Yeah, tell me when the ballyhoo's come back there. What you got? Giant grunt? Here, let me put that on the big rod. We use that for bait. Since we bought the big.
And them like the little ones to
No,
fry.
we're not keeping little fish. Because then they're gonna die from
And right now it's slack tight. No ballyhoos yet. Hopefully they come. I don't see them though. We just keep shifting because of the wind. Yeah. Let me see how big is it? Yeah, let me get it. Yeah, I'll get it. I'll use that for bait.
Oh my God, that was my catch. I couldn't bring it on the boat. I told you guys. Be patient.
It's too small.
Oh, the ballies are back there. Put the shark
Too
back in the water.
patient. Babo, how big that has to be? That's huge.
No, yeah.
That's 18.
Oh, look at the ballies.
That is 18.
Okay, relax.
No, relax, no. Don't throw it in the water until you measure. That's 18 or more.
Yeah, I'm gonna measure. Hold on.
Oh my God, that's a great catch.
Get the ruler.
Bro, the hook was barely on.
A ver, I got him anyways.
Look at him. Look at him.
Wow, that's nice.
I dropped it. That thing.
Oh, you're covering the light.
Haha, no close.
¿Cuánto es? 16.
16. Close. Close, but no close.
We had to throw you back in the water, little fish.
Mom, why are you crying?
Because that was my catch.
Shut up, Mom.
Big Mama got another. What you got? The big red-eye bandit.
Saving the day.
I don't even know what that fish is called.
Yeah, last time Fresco knew the name.
The hook?
No, goggle is a bait fish. This is not a bait fish, is it?
I think that has to be 12 inches, if I remember correctly.
No.
Is it no?
Yeah,
Oh,
12.
this is.
Yeah, get the ruler, measure it.
Wow.
Make sure we're.
Illegal, man.
Yeah, baby.
Is it 12 inches?
Yeah. Yes.
It's 12 inches?
Yeah, boy.
Alright.
We're throwing it in.
Mama, Big Mama saving the day.
Big Mom doing her job. We got another one.
Is that size?
We got another one.
Of course it's size.
Gotta measure it.
Alright, wait.
¿Cuánto es?
It's supposed to be 12. What?
Do you not see us the one above you?
Yeah. Hold up.
Yeah. Live fight, guys.
Okay, I think, yeah.
This is a live fight.
Okay.
Okay, go around.
Hopefully it's a
You can
live
play
fight.
with. Hopefully it's something big. Ah, edite. Figure it out.
Those don't have a lot of value.
Take it off, put the line, and then we'll put it in the icebox.
Has to be a big old one. Figure it
Still
out.
on there.
Oh, for real?
Oh, a fish?
No, the fish on the belly.
¿Dónde va este?
Oh yeah, throw it in the cooler here.
Here, can you throw it for me? Here, no, you can. Aguántalo bien.
We out there. 2 live valleys. Something hit the bottom, broke the line off. And then we got look at them valleys back there, boy.
That's a lot. Hey, well.
Look at the live bait. Feel good. We didn't have a live bait well before, and now we do. So we got them live valleys. We only caught a few because we're not gonna stay here that long. We're gonna be gentle to nature. We got like maybe 8. Should be enough for 2 hours. That's 10. Any luck, son? And we got a full moon. I don't like fishing for the full moon, but we out here. We out here fishing. Even Julie came. Julie, you fishing? Well, it feels good, huh? Thank God for this icing glass, right? Because it's windy and it's cold, but thank God for the icing glass. All right, I gotta show you guys something. We're fishing, right? And look what we're eating while we're fishing. Look,
Put the door stopper.
eating macaroni and cheese while we're fishing. Oh boy, no barbecue. It's too cold to barbecue.
No, we're gonna eat more than that. Not only
Oh yeah, we brought chicken and rice.
Ooh.
But right now they're making macaroni and cheese in the microwave. Yeah, turn everything on. So how's it feel to be in here? Cause it's cold outside, right?
So warm.
Yeah, I know it's warm here, but it's cold out there. It's cold. Thank God for the icing glass. Oh my goodness gracious.
The icing glass has saved us so many times.
Yeah, saved us from the rain and it saved us now from the cold tonight. So
Can I have a clean knife?
a clean knife, yeah. Look in the drawer there.
But rinse it in water.
Look, the drawer on the by the bed. There's a knife.
Mom, rinse it in water.
Right there, the drawer. There's a little knife there. Right there. Wow, this is cool.
Rinse it, just in case.
That's a good thing. You got everything handy. So I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. I just wanted to come hang out. I didn't care about fishing tonight. I just wanted to have fun in the boat.
Me too.
Oh, you heard me? Oh, you heard me.
Me too.
I just wanted to come hang out on the boat. I didn't care about fishing.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to go on the boat.
Yeah.
I wanted to go to the sandbar.
Yeah, we could go try going to the sandbar. There's actually we caught the sandbar snappers.
Yeah.
So we could try. I mean, I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? It's 7:30. It's 7:30. 7:30. So I wanted just to come hang out. I didn't care about fishing. But you never know. We caught them big red-eye bandits. I don't even know what they're called.
Turn off the key.
Oh yeah, turn them off, please. Oh, thank you. So I'm just enjoying the night. It's windy, but since the wind is going westward, the waves are not bothering us.
No,
just the cold.
No,
So just the cold is bothering us. So we're chilling. Look at the full moon shining on the water. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, what? What you making now? What you crazy? What you making, girl? What you making?
Who's that?
Well, you're making a whole 5-course meal.
Mom, what is that? Beets? Smells weird.
Remolachas.
Wow. Making a 5-course meal while we're fishing.
No, we're close now.
Please, why do you have to report me like this?
Looking like an Indian.
No, que agarra todo my hair. Stuff in my hair.
Yeah, it's kind of cold outside. How many red fish we caught anyway?
3.
We gotta catch more because the problem is that's not enough.
Hey, where's her?
We need about 6 fish and we get out. So we got 4.
No, we got mahi fillets.
Yeah, but I'm saying for tonight. So we gotta catch.
We're gonna eat it tonight?
Me not cooking tonight.
No.
Bro,
Oh, me no cooking? Me already cooking?
come on.
Okay. A ver, aquí.
Mom, you act like cooking's the worst thing in the world.
Watching TV, boy. What's up? I didn't know until you were.
Look at the channel.
Was this fishing or hanging out?
The end product.
The end product: aguacate, chicken, and macaroni. In the middle of fishing. And the microwave blew up. And you see sick.
The macaroni tastes good.
Macaroni, chicken, and rice.
I'm just glad the board's stable.
Big boys out of the water. Look at that big monster right there. Another monster pulling it up. All right, it was a good night. It's time to go.